So hi everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, today in this video I'm gonna tell you how to fix Cache App not working issue on iPhone after iOS 17 update. So guys, many users came across the issue of Cache App not working on iPhone, such as app keeping freezing, app not opening and more. So in this video I will tell you how to fix that issue through various methods. Our step 1 is check the internet connection. Internet connection issue could cause Cache App crashing. You will need a good internet for Cache App to perform a secure transaction. Hence, it's a vital to check the internet. If you fail to pay with this UPI app, you can turn on and off aeroplane mode to solve the network problems, or you can switch to another strong internet and try to use the application again. Then our step number 2 is reopen Cache App. Sometimes the problem is just caused by temporary bug in the app. It happens when you don't exit app Cache App properly after using it and the app is still occurring the space in the background. By forcing quieting the application and reopening it, it's likely that the problem could be fixed. Simply open the Cache App and then close it and then again reopen it. Then our step number 3 is clear cache app. Clear cache app cache. Normally you can access your data quickly and easily if cache app stores data in cache files. Yet it may stop the app from running properly when the cache is overloaded or corrupted. It is suggested to clear the cache and get cache app running smoothly again. Then our step number 4 is update cache app. An outdated application can be riddled with bugs and glitches, which might cause you are which might explain why you are unable to complete a transaction with Cash App. Make sure you update the app to the latest version. After applying this all solution you're still facing the same issue again and again and your Cash App is not working, then you have to try last solution, restart iPhone. Another quick fix to Cash App errors is to restart your iPhone. In most cases, restarting the device could eradicate random bugs causing the anomalies on your iPhone, which might cover Cash App issues. For doing this, simply you have to tap on your settings and scroll down and tap on general. Again scroll down, tap on shut down your iPhone and then restart it after 15 to 20 seconds later. So guys, if this video helps you, then so make sure to like and subscribe my YouTube channel for upcoming videos, and thanks for watching.